We are pleased to show you 2006 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile, 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, rear wheel drive, driver illuminated vanity mirror, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season, tires rear all season, fog lamps. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.